Perception High Life is your one-stop shop for fun on the water. The High Life is an 11-foot kayak with smooth tracking and enough stability to paddle as a stand-up paddleboard. The super low profile is reminiscent of a SUP, but still provides a steady platform for kayaking. Perfect for a day trip, this sit-on-top kayak features a fold-down seating system with a cooler storage area under the seat, a rear tank well for additional storage, and a center cup holder for easy access. Swim decks make exit and re-entry for kids and pets a breeze. And the traction pads on the bow, midship, and stern help you keep your footing while paddling. 2 gear tracks double as carry handles and mounting points for endless accessory options. And the easy-to-install toolless fin provides smooth, straight tracking. The High Life is available in 2 colors, blue and lime.
The Pescador Pro is a reel fishing kayak for reel enthusiasts, chock full of the features and performance attributes discerning anglers have come to expect. The versatile hull is fully capable in lakes, rivers, and inland coastal waterways, with broad sidewalls and a straight tracking keel working together to create the perfect balance of maneuverability and stability. The Pescador Pro features a new removable stadium-style seat with 2 seating positions, upright and recline, providing move-on-the-fly height options for paddling and casting. Storage and rigging opportunities are abundant, with a stylish bow tank well with mesh cover, rear tank well, 5-inch stern deck plate, molded-in rod holders, recessed tackle box storage, accessory track system, and even a center console with transducer scupper for rigging fish finder electronics. Comfort and convenience are also plentiful, with comfort carry handles, keeper's foot brace system, skid plate, paddle park, and a cup holder. The Pescador Pro is offered in 2 sizes, a 10-foot model and a 12-foot model, and are both available in a variety of stylish colors, with colored bungee and gear track options also available to add an extra pop of color for both style and safety.
The Perception Rambler is a playful sit-on-top that is easy to paddle for fun seekers of all ages and skill levels, and is great for lakes, bays, rivers, and light surf. Light and easy to manage, the Rambler family features a sit-on-top seat, molded-in footwells, side and bow and stern handles, and a nicely sized tank well with bungees. The Rambler is offered in 2 sizes, a 9.5-foot model and a 13.5-foot tandem model, so you can share the fun with a paddling buddy.
Meet Sea Eagle's Fast Track Angler 385 FTA. It's a super rugged, stealthy fast, and amazingly portable, inflatable kayak, built to be a fishing machine. We dragged this kayak all over to try it out. From wide open waters and backcountry bays to the rocky stripe of coast, it passed every test with flying colors. Go ahead, fish around bridges, rocks, and heavy structure. Haul your catch aboard without fear, because this kayak features extra thick 1000 denier hull material for tremendous strength. Crocodile-style EVA foam pads on the side pontoons and floor provide an additional layer of protection against fish hooks, sharp fins, and heavy contact. Exceptionally versatile, the Fast Track Angler 385 has room for all your gear. It sports 4 built-in rod holders, plus reinforced cutouts on the spray skirts to hold pliers, lures, and other items. Smartly positioned D-rings and tie-downs fore and aft keep gear, seats, and an optional motor mount tightly secured. Carry handles in the bow, stern, and on both sides make transporting this kayak a snap, and the dark green color blends in with the shoreline brush and marsh grass. There's even a 36-inch ruler to measure your catch. Designed with ultimate safety and fishing comfort in mind, the Fast Track Angler 385 is rock steady, so you can fish while seated, standing, kneeling, or trolling. Thanks to its patented drop-stitch bow keel and extended stern skeg, it tracks straight and true, whether you use paddle power or an electric motor. Ready to fish? Just pull it out of your car or truck, inflate fully, and be on your way in minutes without any hassles. The Fast Track Angler 385 comes in several configurations to meet any fishing need and any angler's budget. You're always in the game with Sea Eagle.
The Journey Series sit-on-top fishing kayaks have everything an angler needs for a relaxing day on the water. The hull design provides maximum stability and performance. The Sun Dolphin Journey is ideal for lakes, rivers, and streams. Lightweight and easy to carry, the Journey will get you to your favorite fishing spot. Available in both 10 and 12-foot models, the Journey offers many features and benefits to enhance your fishing experience, including protective thigh pads for your total convenience. Paddle holder keeps paddles secured to kayak. Adjustable padded seat for your paddling comfort. Swivel rod holder conveniently located and locks fishing rod in place. 2 flush mount holders for when you want multiple fishing rods. Adjustable foot braces to accommodate all paddlers. Storage compartment with shock cord deck rigging for all your extra fishing gear. Removable portable accessory carrier for extra storage. Spacious storage area with shock cord deck rigging gives ample room for your accessories. Easy access compartment for smaller belongings. Retractable carrying handles for ease of transportation. Large open cockpit allows the easiest of entry. Made from durable, dent-resistant, high-density polyethylene that will last for many years and comes with a limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind.
Calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes. Baby, you think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Hey, where the money at? Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it and split it with my kinfolk daily. And I'm the type of that might change my number on you. Yeah, that's how you react when people took a slumber on you. Pretty brown skin, baby, I can see the summer on you. You see all the bread and I know it make you wonder, don't you, don't you, don't you? Ooh, I ain't surprised at all. Seen them rise and fall. Went up the mountain, it wasn't hard to climb at all. At the top I found some relief. I finally got some peace. Carry on, but